Welcome to the first ever Diamond Hand Awards. My name is Shay, the humble trader. Today, it is my honor to present to you the nominees for Best Investor of the Year.
Young, hot, millennial, with more meme stocks in her portfolio than any hedge fund managers ever, and an attitude that says, YOLO, it's only money.
That retail 123 is so hot right now.
I've been hearing a lot of hate from Wall Street, saying that I got rich too fast, it won't last, and that I have incredibly fat wallets. And to me, that's a sort of vanity and a kind of self-absorption that I try to steer clear of. I dig the hype, but this is just the way I trade my stocks. I buy it and I hold it. I live with a lot of flair, I live on the edge, and that's where I gotta be. I wasn't like every other kid you know who dreams of making billions on Wall Street. I was always more interested in finding the next bankrupt company I could buy at a cheap price and watch it take off to the moon like a rocket. Look at this one stock, AMC Entertainment. They say people stopped going to movie theaters and the business is not profitable anymore because of services like Netflix and Disney Plus have taken over. Well, I say screw those people because they cost $12 a month and I prefer to sneak into the AMC theaters and watch the movies for free. And here's another one of my core holdings, GameStop stock. GameStop stock. GameStop. I invested in this company because this is where I used to trade in my Pokemon games and get $1 back. And most importantly, I invested in this company because I like the stock. Steve Eisman is a real hero of mine. Oh, and DeepFxkingValue, he's another one of my heroes. The deep dive fundamental analysis is done on GameStop over the last few months. I didn't really read any of them, but the fact that he wrote it, I respect that. I care desperately about what I buy. Do I know the PE ratios of the companies I'm holding? No. Do I know what stocks I'm gonna sell today? Never. But I have a trading app on my phone and I'm gonna give it my best shot.
User Retail 123. Over the past decade, hedge fund investing has had a shadow cast over it by one fund and 5 syllables. Melon Capital.
Stock market investing to me isn't just about being very rich or having a lot of fun being very, very filthy rich.
We need this thing to go down. Short, sell everything.
My Investors Day Summit was great because it gave people a chance to see a side of our diversified portfolio. The original Greek word for investing means to buy high and short low. And I try to think about that every time I shower in my pile of cash before I go to bed.
3-time Investor of the Year, Melon Capital.
And the award goes to User Retail 123.
User Retail 123. User Retail 123.
Thank you. Woo! You know, everybody said that winning Investor of the Year for 4 times in a row, that the age-old method of hedge funds over shorting stocks to the ground is failing. Well, guess I show... What? GameStop's going to 120 right now. I'm down 2,000% on my short position. I'm about to lose $50 million! I'm gonna be real honest with you. I don't know if I can trust you again, Robby. After all, you and I, we both
lost pretty big from this GameStop short squeeze fiasco. I mean, you lost some of your play money and I lost my reputation.
Yeah, And I also lost my Investor of the Year award to some U/Retail123.
I'm sorry about your loss, Melon, but let's get back to the real reason we're here. Without much further ado, I give you the Melon Capital Center for Bag Holders Who Can't Trade Good.
What is this? A center for ants?
What?
How are we supposed to teach investors how to trade if they can't even fit their bags inside the building?
But Melon, this is just
I don't want to hear excuses! This thing must be at least 3 times as big!
You're absolutely right.
Thank you. I have a vision. Hi, I'm former big shot hedge fund manager, Melon Capital. And here at the Melon Capital Center for Bag Holders Who Can't Trade Good and want to learn how to buy other stocks good too, we teach investors everything they need to know about trading in the stock market. Our diverse faculty members includes former Tesla short seller Andy Wright.
A highly shorted meme stock is breaking to new all-time highs and up 200% on the day. What are you gonna do?
Buy more, we're never selling!
That's what I'm talking about!
So join now, here at the Melon Capital Center for Bag Holders Who Can't Trade Good and want to buy other stocks good too, and we'll show you that there's more to life than just being really, really good at short selling stocks. Right, kids?
Right!
In 1BU, take 3.
Steve Eisman, he's a real... Steve Eisman is a real hero.
This doesn't make any sense.
Well, there's a hair stuck out. One hair.
And cut. John, I think you're supposed to look outside.
Hello everyone, my name is Shay, Humble Trader. Thank you so much for watching this year's April Fool's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to check out last year's video up there or in the video description below. If you'd like to learn more about day trading and all the resources, I also have a playlist down below too. Special shout out to Epic Productions for pulling off this video in such a short amount of time. I also want to thank all my friends who helped out, Diane, Belinda, Herman, John, and Howard. Thank you guys for all your help. I truly could not have done this without you. And last but not least, I want to thank you guys for watching, liking, and subscribing to all of my videos. I hope you enjoyed a good laugh, and I'll see you guys next time.